everyone, and welcome back to the Cook to Flourish Kitchen in partnership with Where the Red Fern Grows Farms. And today we are going to make a kohlrabi crouton salad. And I got this idea from my mom when I had roasted these veggies. I hadn't come up with a name for this recipe yet, and she said, "Oh, those look like croutons." And so here we go, the kohlrabi crouton salad. So you're going to need some fresh mixed greens or some of the baby Napa cabbage leaves to make a bed of salad, okay? Then you're also going to need a ½ cup of cubed and peeled kohlrabi. You're also going to need 3/4 cup of sliced parsnips, and then 1/4 cup of the salad turnips. Now we're going to put those into a glass baking dish, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. You're also going to need 1 teaspoon of minced fresh sage. All right, so you're going to toss the vegetables in a ½ teaspoon of avocado oil or grapeseed oil, and then you're going to sprinkle it with some salt, some pepper, some garlic powder, and then add in your fresh sage. So toss that all together, slide it into the oven, 375 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes to the desired tenderness that you desire, okay? And then you're going to make some dressing here. This is one of our family favorites, a wonderful balsamic dressing. So you're going to need 1/4 cup of good quality organic balsamic vinegar, 1/4 cup of roasted walnut oil, 2 tablespoons of water. You're also going to need 1 garlic clove pressed, a pinch of turmeric, a pinch of sea salt and pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon of fresh thyme if you have some on hand. So what we're going to do, we're going to shake this up, and if you want it sweeter, you can add a little bit of stevia as well to your taste. So I am going to drizzle this onto our Napa cabbage leaf salad here. It's going to add an element of sweetness. Then I'm going to top it with our kohlrabi croutons and parsnips and the salad turnips here. And then, just to keep up with that walnut theme, we are going to add some walnuts here to our salad. Now, if you are not a walnut person, you don't have to do walnuts. You could do olive oil in the dressing if you prefer. You could do almonds instead of walnuts, but walnuts, I love the wonderful healthy fats that they have that are great for the brain and great for the heart as well. So here we are, my friends, our kohlrabi crouton salad. I hope that you and your family love it. God bless you, and we will see you later in the Cook to Flourish kitchen.